Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node with Sequelize. Today we are going to learn about the subqueries. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. In Sequelize, you can perform subqueries, which are the queries embedded with the other queries. Subqueries are useful when you need to retrieve the data based on the results of another query. Sequelize provides several methods to work with the subqueries. First, we have a sequelize.literal, and the second method is using the raw SQL queries. So these two things we are going to learn in this video. So let's see. So this is the first one, that is we are using the literal. Okay, so here we have a user dot find all, so we are finding all the users. Okay, after that, in where condition, we have a sequelize literal. So here we are selecting the count from the post where post dot user id, so we are selecting the count of the post also from the post where post user id equal to user id should be greater than 0. If I try to save and run this one, node app.js, now you can see that we have a user, okay, with this, and there would be a count. Okay, so here we can see about the count attributes raw. I think we should use only the data. Here we have select the count from the post where use post dot user id is equal to should be greater than 0. We have to calculate the count of that one. Okay, so if I go to the database, we have a posts. Okay, so here you can see that we have the two posts. Okay, and where user dot id should be greater than should be 0, and it will log that users only. Okay, so here we have the one user id, and here we have a users. Okay, so here you can see that one user was only there, so we are calculating the count of that with the post depends on that one. So that's the reason it's showing the one, because here the record is only one. Okay, the next one is SQL raw SQL query. Okay, so here we can use the raw SQL queries to fetch. This is basically the literal, so here we have adding the literal part. Okay, the next one is the raw queries. Okay, so just comment this one and enable this one. Here also we are select start from the counts where id in select user id from the post. So where we are selecting all the users where id should be in. Okay, so whatever the you select user id from the post we have, so we are selecting that users only. Okay, that exist in the post. So that means the one user is there. Okay, so that means one record is fetched. So let's control c and control this. You can see that user data values is 1. Okay, because the in operator says that whatever we have in the array. So if we are selecting only the user id from the post, so it will return only the one, that is one user id, and the one user id so is selected from the users table, so it will return the only one record. Okay, so these are the two methods which we can use as a subqueries. Okay, with the help of the literal and the sequelize raw queries. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.